50 action verbs in English. Run. Run. I like to run in the park every morning. Jump. Jump. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Swim. Swim. We always swim in the pool during the summer. Write. Write. I write letters to my friends with colorful pens. Speak. Speak. Can you speak more slowly so I can understand? Read. Read. Every night, I read a bedtime story with my mom. Dance. Dance. At parties, we love to dance to our favorite songs. Sing. Sing. My sister likes to sing in the shower. Climb. Climb. Cats can climb trees easily. Play. Play. Let's play hide and seek in the backyard. Build. Build. With blocks, I can build tall towers. Create. Create. Artists create beautiful paintings with their imagination. Solve. Solve. I try to solve puzzles to challenge my brain. Teach. Teach. Teachers help students learn new things every day. Learn. Learn. We learn new words in school every week. Cook. Cook. Mom will cook spaghetti for dinner tonight. Drive. Drive. When I grow up, I want to learn how to drive a car. Fly. Fly. Birds can fly high in the sky. Paint. Paint. I like to paint pictures with bright colors. Design. Design. Architects design buildings before they are built. Explore. Explore. We want to explore the forest and find hidden treasures. Discover. Discover. Scientists discover new planets in space. Invent. Invent. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Ride. Ride. I love to ride my bike in the neighborhood. Kick. Kick. Soccer players kick the ball to score goals. Punch. Punch. Boxers punch the air during training. Lift. Lift. Weightlifters lift heavy weights at the gym. Push. Push. Push the door to open it. Pull. Pull. Pull the rope to see what's at the other end. Hike. Hike. Families hike up the mountain for a picnic. Jog. Jog. People jog in the park for exercise. Bike. Bike. Let's bike to the ice cream shop. Surf. Surf. Surfers ride the waves at the beach. Skate. Skate. Children skate on the frozen pond in winter. Film. Film. I want to film a video of our family vacation. Edit. Edit. Use a computer to edit the pictures you took. Program. Program. Programmers write code to create software. Code. Code. Learn how to code to make your own games. Sculpt. Sculpt. Artists sculpt beautiful statues from clay. Sculpt. Sculpt. The sculptor used a chisel to shape the marble. Hammer. Hammer. Dad will hammer the nails to build a new shelf. Craft. Craft. Kids can craft animals with colored paper. Plant. Plant. We plant flowers in the garden every spring. Grow. Grow. Watch the plants grow with sunlight and water. Harvest. Harvest. Farmers harvest crops in the fall. Organize. Organize. Let's organize the toys neatly in the toy box. Plan. Plan. Mom will plan the family vacation. Execute. Execute. Follow the recipe exactly to execute the perfect cake. Analyze. Analyze. Scientists analyze data to understand the results. Compete. Compete. Athletes compete in sports to win medals.